Okay, hello everybody. I'm Giovanni, and I am currently in Pescara, Pescara is a small town on the Adriatic coast of Italy, but I'm based in Roma. I know some of you. Hi to everyone I know, and hi to everyone I don't know. So, here are my three statements. The first one is I rappelled down a 70-meter dam in France. So I did this when I was, I believe 23, 24, something like that. I was asked to participate in a big event, which involved basically most European countries, and so we had, young people coming from France, Belgium, Spain, Italy, and Poland. I remember just, young people from all over Europe. And it was this big sports event. And we did a lot of activities. And one of these activities that we had to try out was rappel. So I'd never done it before. And I was asked, whether I wanted to do it or not. And I said, well, yeah, for sure. So I decided to take the challenge on and did it. And it was great. It was actually a lot of fun. Number two, some of you, those of you who know me, I think, might have heard about my theater background. And one of the shows I performed in when I was in my early 30s was the show when I was playing a part of a drag queen, and the drag queen was infatuated with Liza Minnelli. So I spent most of the show in full drag, dressed as Liza Minnelli. So I had a wig to kind of like reproduce her hairstyle, and I had dresses and high heels, and of course the whole Liza Minnelli outfit. And yeah, that's it was a great challenge. It was actually really challenging to walk in high heels for 2 hours every night for a month, but I did it. And the last thing, again, this has to do with my theater background. I have directed and performed in a show on the life of Jesus Christ and on religious conflicts. I am really interested in this topic, and I've always wanted to direct a theater dance show on religious conflicts. So I decided to do that, I think 4 or 5 years ago. This is when we started. 5 years ago in 2013. And I directed the shows with, my company and favorite actors. And of course, I also cast myself as Jesus. So, because I think, I've been told that I look like him. So, there was a part of the show where I performed as Jesus Christ, and it was a theater dance show, like I said. And we've been doing it for 5 years now. All right, so, happy guessing.